During CES, we actually stopped by Sengled Home during the CES Unveiled. They're a really cool technology. They do a lot of smart home stuff like light bulbs, hubs, and other items. The really cool thing about this product, before I open it up, is that you don't need a hub for this bulb. So not only can you have it connected to your smart home settings with your Google Homes, your Alexa, or any other types of voice activated controls, but you don't have to have another device plugged into power, connected to your Wi-Fi to basically allow this to work. It can directly connect to your internet, and then from there, you can basically control this light, which is really awesome, especially if you don't want to spend an arm and a leg. These bulbs are really affordable. A lot of Sengled Home is affordable, which is really cool. So let's start unboxing it. So I don't know what a lot of people are going to expect from this video. It is just a bulb, but I mean it is a smart bulb. So it looks pretty much like identical to a lot of other like smart bulbs, like the ones that the DWP gives out every year at your front door. They just drop off like 3 or 4 of them. It does have that little weird lip there, and then the word Sengled, which is nice. And then it does come with a little manual. So I actually downloaded the app. So what we'll be doing is I'll be opening that up for you right now and showing how it works. And you can just use the app to connect the bulb to your home, and from there you'll be able to set these up. So like say for instance, like I do at my house, I have Philips Hue, and we have those in multiple places, but I don't want to go out and spend an arm and a leg on a simple white bulb that I want to put, say for instance, in my wife's bedside lamp that is not smart at this current time, and I want her to shut off sometimes, but sometimes she falls asleep without turning it off. And then she gets mad at me when I wake her, so I don't have to get up out of the bed and go to the other side of the bed and turn it off, or at least crawl over her. I can covertly replace the bulb in her lamp with this one, and then I'll be able to just shut it off from my phone or with just Google Home, which is pretty awesome. So if you're looking for a nice, cheap alternative to some of the bigger names in there, like Hue or Lumen or any of those other ones, this is a really good option at a really good price point without needing any additional hubs, especially if you're in kind of a mix, like mash, hodgepodge of all smart devices in your home. This is a good option to bridge that gap. Well, check out some more of our videos. We got a couple more unboxing coming around. Yeah, we'll see you there.